Hey guys! Okay. I'm gonna be doing a spring cleaning video to like clean out my closet because it's an absolute mess, and this is part of my organizing section for my gold award for Girl Scouts. And please make sure to check my website because that's where all the, not magic, but like, yeah. Okay, so let's start. So I guess I have 3 compartments where I keep all my clothes. We'll start on my closet, and I'll just like take things out one by one, and I'll put the stuff that I want to get rid of over here and stuff that I'm gonna keep, and I'll just put it back in the closet. So took out everything from my closet. It's naked. Anyways, I'm gonna start organizing these now. Stuff I do want. Okay, so those are all my jackets. And then these are my skirts, dresses, and pants. So I'm gonna start organizing those. So I found my brother's jacket, tried it on, and realized that I really liked it. Okay, so my room's a huge mess now. This pile is the pile that I'm gonna give, and then these 2 piles are the ones that I'm gonna keep. So now I have to organize those, and yeah. So now I'm gonna do my drawers and then the cubey boxy thing where I put all my other clothes in, and I'm just gonna dump all my clothes out. So that's gonna be a huge mess. It's gonna be a huge mess, but I guess we'll see how it goes. Yeah. So I still have my donation pile right here, so I'll just add everything over there, and then yeah. Alright, so I officially finished cleaning. I rigged in my closet, and then I just took all the clothes out of my drawers, and then I cleaned them, and then I organized them, and I took out what I didn't want, and I also like organized my the cube boxy things over there. So I'll show you. So this is my first drawer. So my tank tops are on top, and then my pants are over here, my shorts are over here, bodysuits, and then graphic tees are back there, long sleeves are back there, and then yeah. And then these are all my sports clothes. So these are like basketball shirts, and then my sweatpants, and then my school gear, and then these are cover-up shorts, and then these are my sleeping shirts. And this is a pile that I'm either donating or selling. And this is my closet. So I divided it into skirts and then sweaters down here. And then these are all my jackets. And then these are some of my hoodies. And then these are my jeans and then my dresses. So these are my hoodies, and these are the rest of my athletic clothes. Okay, so basically how I organize all my clothes is I put all the stuff that I do wear but I don't wear that often in the back, and then all the stuff that I do wear in the front. So that's like, it's in the front of the closet. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you.